In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini on Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a presentation on your phone, bring up the Gemini tools, and turn its suggestions into polished slide content with just a tap. Start by launching the Google Slides app on your phone. Give it a second to load your recent files. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that first so all the latest AI features are available. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since Gemini needs an online connection to generate suggestions. Next, open the presentation you want to work on and move into editing mode. If the file opens in a read-only view, look for the edit or pencil icon and tap it. You should now see the editing controls for the current slide. If you already know where you want new text to go, tap the text box you plan to use so Gemini's output lands in the right place. If not, don't worry. You can insert the content first and format it after. Now, bring up Gemini. Look toward the top right corner of your screen for a small diamond-shaped AI icon and tap it. This opens the Gemini panel, which is your workspace for prompts and suggestions. If you don't see the icon, confirm you're in editing mode and that your app is up to date. Some features may roll out gradually, so availability can vary by region or account. In the Gemini panel, you'll see a few suggested prompts. You can tap one, like summarize this presentation, to quickly get a concise overview of your deck, or type your own prompt in the chat box. The clearer your request, the better the results. For example, ask Gemini to create a one-sentence headline for this slide in a confident tone, or to rewrite this bullet in simpler language. If you want it to focus on a specific part of your slide, mention that in your prompt, and consider adding a target length or tone to guide the output. When Gemini generates a suggestion you like, tap Insert to place it directly into your slide. The text will appear in your selected text box or a new one, depending on your layout. From there, you can tweak the wording, adjust the font and size, or move the element to fit your design. If the first draft isn't perfect, ask Gemini for a revision with a more specific prompt, then insert again. Remember, you can always undo changes if needed. That's all you need to start using Gemini on Google Slides from your phone. Explore a few prompts, iterate quickly, and let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the message and design.